Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So back at Anfield for my weekly Anfield Road Expansion update. I'm going to have a fly around, I'm going to have a look at the new work that's going on. As you can see, there's roof panelling going on now. So I'm going to have a look at that. I've got loads of comments to address, but I'm not going to address them just yet as there's so much work going on now at the grounds. I want to try and get that covered for people, so they're not listening to me waffling and looking elsewhere. I want to try and get a good look at the site, and I don't want the video to go on for too long, so I will address comments soon again. Also, I've set myself a little challenge. It just might take a little bit of a while to describe. When I was going on about in my last video about helping grassroots football teams out, I'm going to put "You Choose Money" where my mouth is. So my challenge is I'm going to try and get out every day this month and make a video. I don't know what about yet, but obviously got the grounds to do, i.e. Anfield, Goodison, Bramley Moor. I might even put myself on camera and scare you all. But yeah, it's just an idea I've got, and what I'm going to do at the end of the month, I'm going to show a screenshot of how much I earned during November, and I'm going to donate that to a grassroots football team or two grassroots football teams, either pay some league fees for them or buy a kit for them. It's just an idea I've got, okay? It's even preaching about helping people out. I think I should start by doing it, okay? So that's that anyway. Again, if you like the video or like my channel, please consider subscribing. It'd be nice to get some more subscribers. It's slowed down a little bit, so yeah, if you like watching my videos, please subscribe and like as always, and comment. I will address comments, even if you know you've commented on the last video, they will get addressed in future videos. I'll just make more videos more frequently, okay? So that's enough of me chatting. I've took about 2 minutes doing that, okay? So I try to get through that as fast as I can. So I'm going to have a look over the site, see the roof panels are going on. I need to try and find this comment where this guy kept, for a good few videos, I think I've had 3 or 4 comments of him saying everything the roof's going to be on by the World Cup. I must be mad. We're just going to have to put up with the elements. But couldn't do that to the fans. There's thousands of them in that stand. So anyway, yeah, I'll try and find the comments. Don't worry, I won't name you. I'll just put the comments up without the name. So anyway, here's the roof panelling going in. There's quite a lot of work going on, as you can probably hear as well. Get a good top down look at that. Then I'll go back and have a look at how that corner's getting on as well. I can't see it because the trees are in the way. Okay, I'll stop there, have a good zoom in on that. Okay, but yeah, it started now, so you're going to see a lot of work going on. Looks low and close to the crane, and not above it, as you can see. Don't want to get moaned at by Liverpool or subscribers, viewers. Okay. So this area down here where there used to be lots of building work going on, there's nothing going on there now. Much more of a car park. Let's get around this. Well, let's get this crane out the way anyway. And we'll have a top-down view going along. See, there's loads of work going on down here. Let's get a top-down view of that. getting a little bit out in here. Have a look at this corner. There's more work going on there, you see. So it is good to see how they're connecting Gurney Road to the Canadagal East stand, and you can see it's taking shape now. It's starting to bend round. I think, yeah, you got that last section of terracing going in there as well. So obviously there's going to be more terracing going in as it's bending round, but actually no, there won't be, will there? No, there won't be. There might be a little corner maybe, but you might start to see seats going in at some point as well, because I think they're going to want this top tier completed by the time the season ends, so they can just get cracking on that lower tier then. Let's get a front view of it. Be able to get a little bit lower then as well. But yeah, you won't be able to see the concrete soon because all the roof panels will be on. And we've got Liverpool playing tonight. Then after that there'll be 2 more home games over the next, so over the next 11 days going to be 3 games. So there's 1 tonight, 1 on Sunday and 1 midweek next week. I think it's Derby County, and then that's going to be the last home game. I think it might be the last game before the World Cup. So we're going to see this old roof now. That, you know, it's going to be one of the last times we see this old roof. So I'll try and get as much footage of that as I can, because that's going to come off apparently during the World Cup, as I've been saying for months. But I will get back to addressing the comments as well, and I'll keep saying it. But this is the lifeblood of this channel. That's the lifeblood of this channel. Sorry. As I always say, the comments make the content on this. But with the work going on, I need to get as much of it covered as I can, and then I'll get back to doing what I do. But I say I'm going to make hopefully 30 videos this month. It's a lot, innit? I don't know if I've bit off more than I can chew with that just yet, but I've got some ideas anyway that I want to do. Saturday's one's going to be a good one. A little look around here. Let's try and get a top-down view of that corner. Yeah, so 30 videos, 1 video a day through November. On the 30th December I will show a screenshot of what I've earned. That will go into an account, so it's safe and not getting spent anywhere, and that'll be kept till the end of the winter season in grassroots football, and I'll hopefully help out a team with that money that's earned during November. I've got an idea going forward of what I want to do to help grassroots football out, because as I say, I was involved in it and it was really hard to keep it going. I just we couldn't afford to keep going, so we had to fold the team. Lots of kids lost their place in the team. There's the top down view of that corner. There you go. So I will leave this here. Try and keep it short. Again, if you like the channel, please subscribe. It really helps me. It'll help me campaign for grassroots football as well, if people subscribe and watch my videos. So I will leave this here, and I will speak to you all tomorrow, hopefully. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll speak to you soon.